Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. In today's video I am going to be doing a review of a product that was gifted to me by Project E Beauty. They sent me this LED light therapy mask and I was super excited to receive this mask because I have done a lot of research on LED light therapy. It came very well packaged in this box. It had a protective bag on it. This is what the mask looks like. We'll go into that in more detail. The box has this foam in it so that you can actually store the mask in the box. It is a very, very sturdy box. Then that way you don't have to worry about your mask getting damaged. It also came with a booklet that tells you everything you need to know about the mask. It's a user manual. And they also sent me a little bottle of hyaluronic acid serum to use with the mask. This is what the mask looks like. It has a charging port here on the side. They send you a charging cable. It's a USB charging cable, and you just plug it in there to recharge your mask. The mask has protective shades in it, which is nice. It has the eyeglass things to help hold it onto your face, and then on the inside it has all of your LED lights. It's very sturdy and very well made. So I'm going to show you a video of me using the mask, and while you're watching me use it, I will give you some more information about LED light therapy. You will notice in the video, you can still see that my eyes are a little puffy. We're in the middle of allergy season and it always makes my eyes puff up. With the mask having the protective glasses, it really doesn't get in this area because they're supposed to help with inflammation, so it probably would have helped that area, but your eyes, it's important that your eyes are protected when you're doing any type of LED light therapy. So in the video you will notice that my eyes are a little puffy from allergies, and I am using the bottle of hyaluronic acid serum that they sent along with the mask. It's a very nice serum. And then this mask has two settings. It has one which is the red light therapy, which is traditionally used for fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps with inflammation in your skin. And then it also comes with the blue light, which is supposed to help if you have any type of acne. You push the button one time for the red light therapy, and if you want to do the blue light for your acne, you would press it again. And then you just relax for 12 minutes. It's a 12-minute treatment. And as you can see, I have my candle going. That is one of those candles that sounds like a crackling fire. I have some soft meditation music playing in the background. I like to use this 12 minutes of time to relax and meditate, and it's just 12 minutes to myself. It's very nice. As I mentioned, I have done a lot of extensive research into red light therapy, and it is a treatment that exposes your skin to low levels of red or near infrared light. Most of the devices that you come across will utilize between 630 to 700 nanometers of wavelength, which can penetrate 2 to 3 millimeters below the skin and cause positive reactions in the cells, just below the skin surface. The light is absorbed by a type of cell called mitochondria, and it stimulates it, causing a cascade of events at a cellular level. Did you know that you have mitochondria all over your body, and it's very important to your overall health? Stimulated mitochondria can produce more energy and be more active, increasing collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps strengthen, hydrate, and improve the elasticity of the skin. It also helps with skin rejuvenation, wound healing, and hyperpigmentation. As people age, their bodies will produce less collagen, which can lead to dry skin and wrinkles. Collagen is our body's building block, and increased amounts of it can make the skin look firmer and more youthful. Red light has been shown to reduce inflammation in the skin and to stimulate fibroblasts to produce collagen, which can reduce and prevent wrinkles and can improve skin texture. Clears acne, helps regrow hair, and can even heal your joints. As you can see, I will sometimes sit up. It kind of helps the light to cascade down my neck. And when the therapy is done, the mask will automatically shut off. Now, my only issue with this mask is you can see that it left a mark on my nose. It is just a little heavy. Not the mask itself, but I believe it's from the charging battery pack on the side, makes it a little bit heavy. My suggestion is, when using this mask, is to lay down in the bed. Of course, you might fall asleep because it is very, very relaxing, but you can lay down in the bed, which kind of takes the pressure off of that pressure point on the nose. The other thing that you could do is put something there to kind of cushion your nose, but you don't want to put anything too thick because that could possibly raise the mask up, and you don't want any of that red light therapy to get into your eyes because it can be damaging to the eyes. So back in the late 1980s, the NASA scientists were working under red and blue lights to mimic photosynthesis for potato growth. And they noticed that any cuts or anything that they had on their hands or their skin were healing a little bit more quickly. And that's how they discovered the benefits of red and blue light therapy, which is pretty cool. From what I understand, you can use your LED therapy daily if you choose to. I'm not sure if you have any type of sensitivities to your skin. It might be something that you want to gradually work yourself into. Maybe start out 3 or 4 times a week and work your way up to using it daily. You have to, just like with any type of therapy, you have to do tests on your skin to make sure that your skin can handle it. From what I know, there really aren't any side effects in the beginning to using LED therapy, but it doesn't hurt to just check and make sure. You know your skin, so you need to do what's best for you. LED therapy treatments are very safe. It can damage your eyes. That's why it's good to have good protection to keep your eyes safe. Other red light therapy products will come with the little goggles, kind of like the ones that you wear when you suntan or sunbathe in a tanning bed. One thing that you should think about, though, is if you're on any type of medication that makes you more photosensitive, you might want to check with your doctor just to make sure that it's okay for you to do LED therapy. Let's talk about how to choose a device. You want to make sure that they're FDA approved. It's nice to have multiple light so that you can do different types of therapy if you need to. You want to think about the differences in devices, whether you want to do a mask or do a wand. And of course, you want to look at the price point. LED therapy devices can range anywhere from $100 all the way up to $1,000. And you can get these big red light panels to do therapy all over your entire body, and they can go all the way up to $10,000. Let's do a quick comparison because I do have an LED device. This is the light stem wand for wrinkles, and I have used this device. I used it quite a bit in the beginning when I first got it, and it's a nice device. My problem with it is it's very time consuming because you have to place it and then hold it there for 3 minutes and then place it and hold for 3 minutes. And every 3 minutes it'll beep and tell you to move it somewhere else. So you're constantly moving it. It comes with, I couldn't find the little goggles, but it comes with those little goggles like I was talking about for getting in a tanning bed. And it comes with a cord. You have to plug it in to get it to work. And this cost me $249, so it was quite pricey to be something that I found a little time consuming. This is not time consuming at all. I actually enjoyed the mask way better because I could just put it on, as you saw in the video. I could just put it on and I could lay back and I could relax. I didn't have to worry about waiting for a beep. I didn't have to worry about moving, or getting it too close to my eyes, that type of thing, because you have these to protect your eyes. This meets all of those points that I talked about. It does not get hot. You don't want a mask that gets hot. They're not supposed to get hot when the lights are on. And you touch them, they don't even get warm. Now, when you have the mask on, you might feel your skin, or not your skin, you may feel your face getting warm, but you're in this mask and you're breathing, and of course it's going to cause some heat, but that's not coming from the lights. I forgot to mention too that you can use this on your hands. I showed that in the video, but I didn't mention it. Where, you have spots and things, you can put your actually put your hands in here too and do red light therapy on your hands. The other thing that you don't have to worry about if you have any type of body jewelry, it does not heat up your body jewelry. I have seen that question asked several times too. There's no problem with that whatsoever. The other thing about this light stem versus the Project E-Beauty mask is this has only one color of lights in it. So this is just for fine lines and wrinkles. They do have 2 other wands that have other colored light therapies for other skin concerns. So if you wanted to go with this brand, you would have to buy one for wrinkles, one for acne, and I don't remember what the other one was for. And at $249 for each wand, that gets to be a little pricey. These masks are supposed to target various skin concerns. Like I said, wrinkles, fine lines, texture, because I have some texture on the sides of my face, and acne. They do not really help with severe acne, but if you have mild acne or periodic breakouts, then this can help to clear that up. This mask is UV free. That means that it does not have any of the dangerous UV lights. It is just LED light, which is good for your skin. It's different than the UV light, which can be harmful. This mask is $139.99 on their website, which is cost effective. That may sound a little high to some people, but when you think about some masks that are $300, $400, $500, I have seen them as high as $800. This is pretty cost effective. And if you see masks that are cheaper, you have to think about how many lights are in the mask, and then you have to think about the nanometers, because they need to at least be around 630 to make sure that they penetrate far enough into the skin to be effective. I used this mask for right at 30 days. I believe that it takes a little bit longer than that to get the full effect. I think that a full 60 days is a better measure of how well this type of product can do. I will say in the 30 days that I used the mask that I could tell that the overall texture on my face was definitely improving. Now, I do have some wrinkling here on my forehead. I don't really have a lot of wrinkling on the sides of my face. Most of my fine lines and wrinkles is under my eyes. I would like to invest in red light therapy. I believe that there are different red light therapies that you can get for that area to see if that would help improve those areas. But I am going to continue to use this mask, and I will be giving an update at the 60-day mark so that you can see what improvements have developed in my skin. So I would definitely recommend this mask. My only issue with it, as I said, is that it causes that pressure point right there on your nose, which, I mean, it goes away, but still I don't want anything pulling and tugging on that skin. So when I use it, I do lay down, which does help, or I put just a little bit of a cushion there to help it. I did let them know that it was causing, leaving a mark there on my nose, and they said thank you for giving us that feedback. Down in the description box there is a link to this website. It is an affiliate link, and I have an affiliate code that will save you 10%, I believe, on their website. They may currently be having a sale that might give you, I don't know if you can stack codes with the sale. I know that the codes do not work when they have like a Black Friday or that type of sale. They also offer free shipping on their website over $100, which shouldn't be a problem. There is a 30-day satisfaction guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Project E Beauty gifted me this LED light therapy mask for my honest opinion and review. This is not a paid review. I would like to thank Product E Beauty for gifting me with this mask. I did enjoy using it, and I will continue to enjoy using it, and I'm looking forward to giving y'all an update. I hope that you enjoyed this review of this mask. Make sure that you do your research. Make sure that you protect your eyes, and I will see y'all in my next video. Okay. Love you. Bye.